What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Another Freestyle Friday coming at you. Pretty stoked about this one. So welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week we're gonna cook it my way. Recipes are free, you know I keep it hot. So grab that pen and paper, let me show you what you got. Yeah, chickpeas, little beans, so powerful on the scene. Mix it up on a bed of greens. That was brutal. The kid's getting worse at the flows. You might as well drop the MIC and close the browser. Just kidding, he's about to flow. Yeah, you know what's his name, it's E-Fits, where you gonna go? Okay, that's it. Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Super excited. I know that we've made a chickpea salad sandwich before. That's no secret. You guys have gone ham on that video. It's your favorite video. But we've made some alterations. We're coming at you with our favorite lunch. Literally, we have this at least twice a week. Let's get into it. We're here in Kelowna, and there's a serious smoke situation, so I need to take some breathers throughout the show. So let's start with a huge bowl and a couple of cans of chickpeas. And we'll crack those open. There it is. So I've been really not into pulling out the strainer lately. It's just like another thing to wash. So this is the way I'm doing beans. And wash it right in the can. Save yourself a little time, a little bit of dishes at the end. So I run the water back through the can and then just shake them around in the can. Does the same thing, just makes your life a lot easier. Vanlife hacks. We're gonna do 2 cans of chickpeas today. You got your chickpeas, and we're gonna start right away with the masher. Best technique I've found for mashing chickpeas is really force the weight in from the back. Okay, so we're gonna drop the bowl, and we're gonna come down like this, much easier. And just go in the middle. Start in the middle. See how I'm coming from my back? It's a nice technique here. If you guys are gonna send me pics of this, this is what I wanna see. I wanna see you mashing your chickpeas from the back. The last chickpea salad sandwich recipe was very Mediterranean. We threw olives and I think sun-dried tomatoes and maybe regular tomato. I don't even remember. But we also used avocado instead of mayo. So that's a great substitute if you're trying to stay lean. But today we're gonna use mayo because mayo is delicious and we don't have any avocado. I'm out of breath, dude.
Smoke, baby, smoke.
Smoke, baby,
Should
smoke.
I show them the smoke? Look at the smoke.
Even if you're not vegan, you guys should try out vegan mayo. Literally tastes the exact same and 0 cholesterol. Regular mayo is full of egg yolk and there's tons of cholesterol in that. So even if you can do little steps to make your life a little healthier, try it out. Vegan mayo, shout out to Hellman's, thank you very much. 3 knives, 4. Okay, just like knives like that. We're gonna have a look, mix that mayo around. Vegan mayo is basically just canola oil. Just gonna add a little bit of flavor and help get it all sticking together. We're gonna go a little more mayo. So I think we're going 2 more knives. That's it, we're cutting ourselves off. We're trying to stay in shape here. You're still got a few little chunks, so a little bit of crunch. We're not over mashing it, but that's beautiful. I'm gonna just put that to the side and we'll start dicing. Pickles, probably the most key ingredient. So I'm just gonna cut that into like 6 and then just little pieces. I know there's been a lot of comments about me dragging my knife on my cutting board, so I apologize. I gotta get used to the flip. Appreciate you guys letting me know when I'm doing stuff wrong. Can always count on you. I realize that I've taught you guys to tuck your tongue when you're cutting. Tongue. Tum. Your tum. Tuck your tum. But with the pickles, I find that it really helps hold them open, so I'm willing to take the risk. But tuck your tongue if you don't want to. I find that really helps. And I just go a little slower. I'm gonna go right into the bowl. I hold my cutting board with 2 hands. Really nice that some grocery stores are starting to sell celery in single serves because we don't have room for a huge thing of celery. I always like cutting the ends off just a little bit because they're a little stale. Dice all those guys up. Celery is another very important ingredient in the chickpea salad because it adds a real crunch. Plug your ears. I keep saying like this one's the most key, but this one is amazingly key. Apple. One of you messaged me saying, hey Eamon, love your chickpea salad sandwich. Try adding apple. Don't remember your name, but thank you very much. I will try adding apple, and this is like a new staple for us. Little apple tip for you. Learned this one from the camera girl. You gotta make sure they're crunchy. So when you're going to pick out an apple in a grocery store, give it a nice squeeze. If it at all has give, That one's not going in the cart. You want it to be nice and solid. Crunchy apple makes a world of a difference. Jalapeno is going in next. Jalapeno is gonna add a nice little kick. So I wanna make sure I chop this up into little pieces. I might even add a little bit of jalapeno liquid, depending where the consistency is at. If you're not a big fan of spice at all, you can leave this guy out, but for me, I like it hot. Red onion, raw. It's gonna give it a nice kind of bitter flavor. I love red onion. And I'm just gonna grab a quarter of this. We don't need to overdo it. So we can just sliver that. Then we can go ahead and dice that as well. So now we'll mix everything up. Black pepper. Has anyone gone out and bought an electric pepper shaker yet? I know at least one of you has. There'll be an Amazon link for you below. I'm gonna add 7 shakes of salt. As far as the consistency you're looking for, you want enough mayo that everything kind of binds together, and that will also translate as to how well you've mashed your chickpeas. So you can tell right now that everything's kind of sticking, and that's exactly what you're looking for. We can go ahead and taste that. That was me floating to heaven. Wow. This is like the best stuff ever. A picture of health, absolutely delicious, filling, packed with the protein. Now, the last time we threw it on a bed, on a sandwich, that's a great option. Today, you know, summer's ending. It's not too late to get in shape. So we're gonna do it on a bed of spinach, served with like a few little triangles of pita. That's just how we're rolling today. I'm just gonna lightly toast those. I'm just gonna grab a sip of water, actually. I wonder if anybody watching this decides to toast things on pans as well, just because I'm doing it. Works great. But if you have a toaster, you might want to use that. Boom, that was a quick Freestyle Friday. Guys, that's how easy lunch can be. A literal 4-minute whip up. You got all the ingredients, chop, boom, there you go. The chickpea salad sandwich will stay good in the fridge for at least a few days, so you can make it up in a big batch and bring it to lunch in a Tupperware container with a couple of chips, and those aren't called chips, those are called pita chips, pita. And you could just whip it up, and there you go. You've got a beautiful salad. There's no need to add any other dressing. You can grab a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm not kidding when you say we eat this twice a week. It is absolutely delicious. Please, please, please try the recipes. I know that was a quick one, but I wanted to let you know about our favorite lunch. Subscribe to our channel if you're not. Smash the thumbs up if you like this recipe. We'll be at you next week with another Freestyle Friday. Stay hungry, friends. Tag me in your pics.
What is it hanging on by?